What's up everybody? In today's video, we're improving our audio quality. A little bit ago, I uploaded a video where I covered the song Cats, and I have a mixer and a microphone in here. It's right there, and one of the things that I do on my computer is record songs, and I've been lacking a pop filter. Until today, that is, when I found this pop filter for 10 bucks at Staples. So this is the mixer that I have on my desk at all times. I've got the mic plugged here into input number 1. And then there is a cable that runs into the Mac Mini on my desk. I've got a pair of Beats headphones here and a mic on a stand, and I've been lacking a pop filter. I've done most of what I do through the EQ settings, but there's only 3 EQ bands on this board, so you can't do a whole lot with it. Again, this is very audio-y related, but you know, there's only 3 EQ bands. There's a high, a mid, and a low. A lot of boards have more, sometimes 4, 5, 6 EQ bands, 30-something EQ bands. So this one doesn't have a lot, but it is a good mixer for what I use it for, which is recording stuff around the house and small little performance gigs at different smaller venues. So it's a good board for what I use it for. So yeah, that's the mixer that I have in my room and the mics and stuff that I record with, and I figured I'd go ahead and upgrade a little bit on the system by getting this pop filter. It's not a new mic, it's not anything crazy, but it is an upgrade to the way I've been doing things around here in my home studio, if you will. I guess that's kind of what it's trying to be. So here's the pop filter. It comes in a little sack, and we'll get this on out of it. Here's what it is. It's got a nice mesh finish, and it's bendable, and then you just go ahead and secure it onto a mic stand with this little attachment. So let's do that. So I figured my favorite way to mount this ended up being on the stand itself and not the bar across, or the boom across. This is what the microphone sounds like with a pop filter applied to it. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do ya? So if you enjoyed this video and you found it interesting in any way whatsoever, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the sound with the pop filter and without the pop filter, and whether or not you think it was worth it. I think it was. It definitely seems to remove some of those harsher sounds, and the price of it, again, was right. It was cheap enough, so I'm happy with it. I'll definitely be keeping it around for future recordings. Granted, this was the first time I have recorded with it, so I'm hoping in the future, as I get to using it more, I'll get the levels honed in a bit more. But again, not my typical video. This was just something to talk about for a bit. It was something interesting. I definitely find audio related stuff interesting, so I figured I'd make a quick video on it. And if you found it interesting, hit that like button and let me know what you'd like to see in future videos by dropping a comment down below. And if you're new around here, subscribe, because not everything is about this kind of stuff. We do all kinds of stuff around here, so if you're interested, check out some other videos and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.